Aw, this is so fun. I'm so excited to be back. Look at how stinking cute this little cup is. Do you like Gossip Girl? I like you. Probably shouldn't put that on the floor, but it has a lid, so we're just gonna go with it. Let's get this show on the road. Hi everyone. So today's video is going to be a kind of like an all about me tag, I guess. It's not really a tag because I wasn't tagged in it, but I'm just gonna call it a tag, if you know what I mean. But this is just kind of like an all about me video, just kind of getting to know me. I always am like so nosy and curious about like other people, so I feel like this is the perfect video to start back up my channel with, which I am super excited about because I love doing this and I love filming. I took a poll on Twitter kind of asking what video you guys would like to see. It was between 3, so there was like an everyday like makeup look, you know, just to like start back up on my channel. This video, like an all about me video, or a kind of like an update on why I took a break from YouTube video, and hands down this one won. So I'm doing this one. I'll probably end up doing kind of like why I left YouTube for a little bit video, because like I said, I get it. People are nosy. I get it. I'm a little nosy too. I'm nosy in the sense that like I want to know things, but like if it's none of my business, I'm not gonna like pry. You know what I mean? Doesn't mean I don't want to know, but I'm not gonna pry. So I'm probably gonna film both of those. That's probably gonna be the next video I film, so stay tuned for that one. And yeah, I'm just really excited to be back here and to be doing this, and I don't even know what to say. Like I'm just super excited about it, and I just want to say a little thank you to, I'm gonna start crying, I know it's like so cheesy, but I just want to say a thank you to all of my friends and family, you know, my roommate, my closest friends, just everyone for pushing me to do this again, and for, you know, supporting me through this, and just for being there for me. I love you all. If it wasn't for you guys and the people watching, the viewers, I think, because I love it, so I would probably still sit here and talk to no one, because that's basically what you're doing. But yeah, without them, I don't know where I would be. Honestly, I don't know where I'd be today. So thank you all. Thank you for supporting me, and I love you. I love you, love you, I love you. All right, enough about that. Let's just jump right in. So just gonna kind of read off. I asked some of my friends to like send me messages and be like, you know, like if you didn't know me, what kind of stuff would you like to know, in a sense. And I'm also like just looking some questions up. So, well, first I'll just start off by saying my name is Leanna Marie Garcia. Hello. I am 5'3.5". Yes, the half matters, because I'm not 5'4" and I'm not 5'3", right in between. I'm like 5'3.5". My shoe size is tiny. No, it's not like small, but I can fit into the shoes, like the sample shoes that they kind of like leave up in the store. It's so funny because every time I go shopping with my friends, they're like, can you try this on so I can see what it looks like? Because my foot fits in like literally every single one of those, because it's usually about like a 6 to a 6.5, and that's my shoe size. I can squeeze into a 5.5 kind of uncomfortably, but if I need to, I can. But I'm like a 6, 6.5. My mom thinks I'm a 7. I don't know, I guess I used to be a 7. I'm not a 7 anymore. I'm like a 6.5. I don't know what happened, but anyway, I'm a Cancer. It's like so weird to say I'm a Cancer. I'm like right in between, so I always read Cancer and Leo because I'm on the cusp. I'm a little cusp baby. That sounded like I said cuss baby. I said cusp baby. So my favorite hobby, this. I I like watching YouTube too. Like I will like sit with my TV on in the background and literally just like watch YouTube. Like I have my iPad right here. Like I literally just like open it and watch YouTube videos all day, every day, 24/7. That's all I do. I watch YouTube. I watch like makeup videos. I watch Mr. Kate home improvement videos, which if you love those videos, watch Mr. Kate because she the bomb. I watch like the basics, you know, like all the makeup people. I basically know like all of their names. Don't know them, but I know their names because I watch videos all the time. I watch everything. Everything. I used to do dance and gymnastics. I know that kind of is like, not really a hobby though, that's like a sport, but I used to do dance and gymnastics. I did those like off and on. Like I kind of went from gymnastics to dance and then back to gymnastics and then back to dance and then back to gymnastics and then I did dance and now I'm here. So yeah, anyway, I'm 22. I look up to my mom. My mom is my best friend. She is the one person in the entire world that gets me more than anybody. She knows exactly the way that I think. She knows like my first word before I'm even gonna say it. Like if I'm having drama with a friend or like trouble with a boy, she knows exactly what I'm gonna say before I even say it. It's so funny. She knows everything about me. She's my rock. Love you, Mom. That's who I look up to. And God. I look up to God a lot. I am religious. I do believe in God. I don't ever like push it down people's throats, you know, because you're allowed to believe what you believe in, but I believe in God and I look up to him as well. I have one sibling, a brother, and he is 2 years older than me, so he is 24, and yeah, love him too. Don't really talk to him as much just because I'm such like an extrovert and he's like kind of more of an introvert. So, I mean, we see each other and we talk to each other and we're like good friends. It's just, you know, we kind of have our own lives and we're doing our own thing. But yeah, I am very blessed because all of my like close immediate family lives here where I live in Florida. And we all live probably, I would say within 30 to 40 minutes of each other. Like I would say the farthest is like 30 minutes, maybe 40, depending on traffic. I'm a very family-oriented person. I love my family. I love everything to do with family. I am very weird. Very weird. I'm like that weird that you're kind of like, I kind of want to be her friend because she's weird, but like I'm not really sure about her, if you know what I mean. But once you get to know me, I'm great. I'm just weird. I mean, I feel like everyone's weird in their own way though, to be completely honest. Like, who is not weird? Because if you're telling me you're not weird, probably lying to me. I'm annoying, which I know is like such a like weird fact to admit, but I do and I know it and I own it and I really don't care if people are like, oh, you're so annoying. I'm like, yeah, I know, and that's just me. That's who I am. I am a talker. I talk so much. I talk 24/7. I talk all day, every day. I just like find reasons to talk. I don't even know. Like, I guess I just do. I just talk. I talk. That's all I do. I am a big foodie. I love food. Mexican food is probably my favorite. Chips and salsa, like queso, quesadillas, enchiladas, fajitas, all of that. Tacos, those are so good. I like margaritas too. Like everything that comes with like Mexican food, sign me up. I probably eat Mexican food like 3 or 4 times a week. I live off of mac and cheese. That is something that's always in my pantry. I take naps all the time. I need at least 1 nap a day. Do I take 1 nap a day? No, not all the time. Most of the time, yes. But I need naps. My roommate will look at me and be like, are you tired? Do you want to take a little nap and then like come back and we can like, you know, talk or whatever? And I'm like, I am the way I am because of my family. They raised me to have such a good head on my shoulders. I was bullied a lot in just growing up. I mean, kind of from like when I was young to, I would say like middle school, high school a little bit, but not as much. High school I was kind of friends with like every single like group, which is like so stupid to me. Like I don't think there should ever really be groups. Like you can be friends with who you want to be friends with. If you're popular, you can be friends with like the nerd. I hate the like stereotypes, but you know what I mean? Like, and it doesn't matter. Like who cares? Who cares? They're your friend, it doesn't matter. Like if they treat you the way that you want to be treated, then good. You should probably stick with them and not stick with your friends that bully you and make you feel bad about yourself. That's just my personal opinion. I think that it made me who I am today as well. Anyone who's been bullied knows that that is one of the hardest things to go through and to come back from. And I mean, I did it. I mean, look at me now. Things don't bother me. My dream job, my dream job is actually what I'm licensed in, an esthetician. So I am a licensed esthetician. I have my license for that. Haven't started my career in that yet because I'm kind of like doing things on the side and kind of like freelancing in a sense. Once I start doing that, it's gonna be so much fun and I'm so excited. I cannot wait. I'm so hungry. I've never had surgery. I have like gone under anesthesia for my wisdom teeth. I got all 4 of my wisdom teeth taken out, which is the way to do it because I'm not a fan of needles. I'm no can do. There's literally like a hair on my eyeball. Hold on. Hold please. I'm back. The hair's still there, but it's okay. I am a cat person. I'm a dog person, but I'm a cat person. I grew up with cats, so it makes me a cat person. But I like dogs. More questions? Do I like Netflix better or YouTube better? That's so hard. Both, because I watch both at the same time. I've seen Gossip Girl like 4 times all the way through, so I can have that running in the background, and if I miss something I'm not really upset about it. But I'm currently watching The 100, which if you haven't seen it, it's so freaking good and you need to see it. Like you need to, after this video, go watch it because it's really, really good. I haven't seen that all the way through, so I will literally like pause it to go to the bathroom because I don't want to miss anything. Cardio or weights? Cardio. Facebook or Twitter? Twitter. I use both though. I'm on like every single social media thing, which probably isn't like the best, but I don't really let things affect me that much, so yeah. Rich friend or loyal friend? Is that really a question? Loyal friend, duh. Passenger or driver? Passenger. I like to drive. It's not like I have my license and everything. It's not that I don't like to drive. I am not, my internal GPS is not there. I do not know where I'm going. I cannot get anywhere. I lived in Florida my whole life and I cannot get anywhere. And it's kind of sad, I know. Even when I know exactly where I'm going, I use my GPS. Just like as a, like, okay, I can hear you, I know that this is where I'm going, but just in case, like, God forbid I make a wrong turn and then I don't know where I am, you know what I mean? Yeah, passenger. Toilet paper, over or under? This, like, bothers the crap out of me. I don't know why. Over. Over. 1891 on December 22nd. It literally is a description of how to use toilet paper. Over. Yeah. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. Where'd my water go? Oh. Yes, so those are facts about me. I don't really know how many that was, but I really hope that you all enjoyed. I hope that it kind of got you to know me a little better. I love you all. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I am looking forward to sending more videos your way. Oh, that rhymed. Props for me. Pat on the back. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, because I know I sure did. I had fun filming it. I'm gonna go. Bye, guys.